Unveil the sparkling clean with Wybot S1, your high-tech pool cleaning companion. Embark on a seamless pool maintenance journey with the Wybot S1 Pool Cleaner. Designed to cater to the modern homeowner, this robotic marvel is a synthesis of innovation and efficiency. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. The Wybot S1 comes with a comprehensive package list: pool cleaner, user manual, hook, charger, and quick guide, everything you need for a hassle-free start. Powerful scrubbing brushes. Dirt has nowhere to hide. With brushes that work tirelessly to dislodge dirt and debris, the Wybot S1 leaves no corner untouched. The powerful scrubbing action ensures your pool surfaces are scrubbed clean, offering you a pristine swimming experience. Intuitive LEDs, a symphony of light, indicating machine status. Stay informed with a glance. The Wybot S1's intelligent LED indicators keep you in the loop on the robot's status. With these lights, users gain insight into the machine's operation, making it easy to monitor the cleaning process. Corrosion-resistant charging. Longevity meets convenience. Protection against the elements is crucial. The corrosion-resistant charger stands guard, ensuring your robot's longevity while maintaining efficient energy transfer during every charge. Smart app control. Command at your fingertips. With the Wybot app, you take the reins of the cleaning mode with just one touch. Though adjustments can't be made underwater, the flexibility of scheduling and mode selection enriches your pool cleaning routine. Upgraded power motor. Ascend with confidence. Worried about steep surfaces? The S1's robust 3,500 RPM motor ensures the robot firmly grips smooth surfaces, confidently climbing without the risk of falling. Versatile cleaning paths. Customized cleanliness. Whether it's the floor or the wall, choose your path: cross, star, S, regular, or V. And let the S1 navigate the intricacies of your pool's landscape with precision. A filter that fits all. The large capacity filter is ready to capture a variety of debris. Its user-friendly design allows for quick removal and cleaning, ensuring you can maintain your robot without a struggle. Dual brushes and powerful suction. Double the clean. The Wybot S1 doesn't just brush away debris, it sucks it up with vigor. Equipped with 2 robust roller brushes and triple motors, this robot is a force of cleanliness to be reckoned with. Smart navigation and self-rescue. A bot that understands your pool. Through advanced sensors, the Wybot S1 not only sees your pool, but navigates it intelligently. It conquers walls and water lines, and it's smart enough to avoid getting stuck, ensuring comprehensive coverage without hassle. Customizable cleaning. Because every pool is unique, the Wybot app opens a world of customizable cleaning modes and paths, tailored to your pool's specific needs. From targeted spot cleaning to thorough scrubbing, your preferences are always a priority. Scheduled cleaning, set it and forget it. Life is busy, but your pool's cleanliness doesn't have to suffer. Schedule cleanings through the app and let the Wybot S1 work its magic even when you're away. Exceptional coverage. Clean is seen. With the impressive ability to cover 90% of your pool, the Wybot S1 leaves little to chance. It meticulously cleans floors, walls, and the waterline, delivering a cleaning performance that you can both see and feel. Step into the future of pool maintenance with the Wybot S1, where technology meets tranquility and cleanliness becomes an automated art. So, this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. This is Enoylity technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.